How's it going, y'all? Today we have a 2020 Ford Escape. In great condition, I would say. The leather interior. Manual seats, not electric. Pretty simple design, pretty clean interior. I'll say good first car. It's not really a full-size SUV, it's more of like a compact SUV. Only 21,000 miles on it for 2020, so the car hasn't been driven that much. Tires are good. Brakes are good. With such low miles, shouldn't really need anything. Has parking sensors in the rear. Has automatic liftgate. Spare. Decent amount of features, not bad. Doesn't look too bad either. Pretty simple design. The color is not bad either. I wouldn't say like an ocean blue, but like on a grayish blue side. Check everything, make sure everything functions properly. Driver's seat is electronically controlled. Also have memory seats. I see the motor. I believe it's a 4-cylinder EcoBoost. 1.5 liter. With such fair low miles, vehicle wouldn't need much. A few things I would recommend is an oil change, cabin filter, wipers. I'll give it an alignment. Tire balance, I'm going to drive it, make sure that there's no brake pulsation, no suspension noises. Because even though it has low miles, it can still have suspension noises, brake pulsation just from it sitting too long, not being driven. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it on the road. I doubt it's gonna really need anything. It should be in fairly good shape. And I'm gonna get it inside the shop for repair and out to detail to get cleaned up and ready for sale. Give y'all a look of the dash from the driver's seat. It does have GPS. You can't go wrong with that. Not full of features, but good important features. GPS is always good to have. The automatic liftgate is always good to have. Parking sensor is always good to have. Let you know what's going on behind you. No sunroof. There's your instrument cluster. Has fog lights. Memory seats, I said that already, but it does have a crack in the windshield, so we're gonna go ahead and get that replaced also. So I'm just going to take it out on the road, make sure everything else is good with it. Nothing funky going on.